Hey traders, welcome back. All right, today we're looking at gold spot. This video is all about breaking down the recent price action and finding those high probability zones where we might get some solid trading opportunities. So let's get right to it. Here's the chart we're looking at, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. You can see price has been on a steady uptrend, recently hitting a high around $2,739. Now, when we see a big move like this, there's always a chance for some kind of pullback before it continues higher. So let's walk through this setup step by step. I've added Fibonacci retracement levels from a recent swing low to the swing high. The key Fib levels to watch are 38.2% at about $2,599, 50% at $2,615, and 61.8% at $2,631. These are the zones where buyers could step back in as the price pulls back. Right now, we're seeing a bit of correction after that big upward move. The price is coming down and retesting this previous resistance level, which is right around $2,684. This level lines up with a 1.0 Fibonacci extension, making it a solid area to watch for buyers coming back in. So here's the game plan. We have this potential buy zone around that 61.8% retracement, between 2,680 and 2,660. If buyers step in here, this could be the demand area that supports the next leg up. Now let's talk targets. If we get a bounce off that support zone, we're looking at price possibly heading toward the 1.618 Fibonacci extension at $2,768, and if momentum holds, even up to the 2.618 extension at $2,905. So keep an eye on how price behaves around the $2,768 level. This is where we could either see a retracement or another continuation upward. Watch for those signals. And hey, don't forget, join us on our Telegram channel for daily trade ideas, live analysis, and much more. Links in the description below. All right, that's today's breakdown on gold spot using Fib levels and price action. If this analysis helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments. Do you think gold is rallying or ready for a pullback? I'll see you in the next video, and as always, stay profitable.